Headlines promising the erasure of painful memories are certainly attention-grabbing. Today, we'll explore the truth behind Propranolol, a common blood pressure medication, and its potential impact on memory. We'll separate fact from fiction, examining how it interacts with memory and whether it's truly possible to rewrite our past. Propranolol is a beta blocker, a type of medication that has been around for decades. It's widely prescribed for conditions like high blood pressure, heart arrhythmias, and even performance anxiety. Its key function is to block the effects of noradrenaline, a neurotransmitter heavily involved in our stress response. Noradrenaline plays a crucial role in forming emotional memories. When we experience something frightening or stressful, noradrenaline floods the amygdala, the brain's emotional center. This surge intensifies the encoding of the memory, which is why traumatic experiences can feel so vivid and persistent. Memory reconsolidation is a fascinating process where each time we recall a memory, it briefly becomes unstable. It's like opening a file on your computer. It needs to be resaved. During this brief window, lasting a few hours, the memory is malleable, making it a target for therapeutic intervention. When propranolol is administered during this reconsolidation window, after a traumatic memory has been reactivated, it can block the noradrenaline-driven restabilization of the emotional component of that memory. The important thing to understand here is that you don't forget what happened, but the intense fear or panic associated with it is significantly weakened. Let's be clear, propranolol doesn't erase memories. It doesn't wipe the slate clean. Instead, it reduces the emotional intensity associated with those memories. Think of it as turning down the volume on the emotional pain, allowing you to recall the event without being overwhelmed by the same level of distress. A landmark study led by Alain Brunet investigated the effectiveness of propranolol in treating PTSD. Participants, some with symptoms lasting over 2 decades, showed significant reductions in their PTSD symptoms after treatment. The effects were durable and well tolerated, providing strong evidence for propranolol's potential. The study protocol was surprisingly simple. Participants wrote a detailed account of their traumatic experience, reactivating the memory. They then received either propranolol or a placebo, and this process was repeated weekly for 6 weeks. The key outcome was a noticeable reduction in the emotional charge associated with their trauma. Brunet's 2018 trial builds on more than a decade of previous research. Brunet et al. 2008 published the first open-label trial of its kind. Since then, studies have provided consistent findings that show emotional charge on traumatic memories can be reduced by propranolol. More research is still needed to see how it can be further applied. While propranolol offers a promising avenue for reducing emotional pain, it's important to remember that memory reconsolidation can also occur naturally. Therapeutic techniques like mindfulness, alongside healthy lifestyle and environmental factors, can help facilitate this process without the need for medication.